Pity the fool who buys a Nissan Leaf. I'm just over here at In-N-Out Burger waiting for my food, and I thought I'd show kind of how the truck is idling. Somebody on the channel was asking about, you know, they're not sure if their 22 RE is rough or not, you know, idling smooth enough, and showing the vacuum levels about 17.5, 18 inches at, you know, 900 RPMs, 950, and I'll pull up a little bit here. So I thought I'd just show kind of some of the, you know, the way my truck idles. You can see that's my oil level over there. Sun's kind of shining in, and you know, at idle, 12.5 volts off the alternator. And then you can see the oil temperature and the fuel pressure over there. But the main question was, how smooth, you know, is my truck idling too rough? And you can see kind of my truck, I've done everything I can to get it to run smooth, and it just, you know, I did a lot of research online, and basically what everyone says is that the 4-cylinder with the you know, the 1342 firing order is just an inherently kind of not super smooth motor. If you've got a V12 or a V8 or a straight 6, you're going to be able to get a lot smoother idling. But with the 22 RE, and my understanding is most 4-cylinders outside of those that employ balanced shafts that rotate twice as fast as the crankshaft to cancel out, you know, like first or second order vibrations, there's not much you're going to be able to do to get your 4-cylinder to idle smooth like, you know, a motor in a Bentley or a Rolls Royce. So the conclusion I came to was stop losing sleep over it, and if you can get it to idle, you know, even remotely, you know, acceptable, that's probably about as good as you're going to get, especially if you're running an aftermarket camshaft or something, which I am. Now my buddy's truck, it runs a little smoother, but it's an automatic too, so that might play into it. Anyways, Happy New Year to everyone on the channel, and for those interested in, you know, can I get my 22 RE to idle ultra smooth, I think based on my experience over the last 4 years, the answer is probably not super smooth. You might be able to get it to idle a little bit less rough. That's kind of the way to look at it. All right, about to grab my food here and get back on the road, but Happy New Year to everyone on the channel. Any questions, comments, feel free to use this section below. Thanks for watching.